For this video, I am going to teach you how to create an appointment booking link using Calendly. So if you don't know what Calendly is, it is a scheduling automation tool that makes it easy for others to book time with you instead of exchanging multiple emails to find a suitable time for a meeting. So you can simply share a link and people can pick a time that works for them. It integrates with your calendar like Google Calendar or Outlook, so you never have to worry about double bookings. Plus, it is free to start with some advanced features available in paid plans. So, first things first, what you need to do is to sign up for Calendly. And if you haven't done that yet, head over to calendly.com and then just sign up for a free account. And I suggest that you sign up with your Google account, so then if you want to connect your Google Calendar with your Calendly account, then you'll be able to easily do that. So once you have clicked onto the sign up button, you'll need to fill in all of your details and your credentials. And then after you have set up your account, you'll be able to see this on your screen. So this is basically the dashboard for Calendly. And on the center part, this is where you can see all of your events. So I have here a 30-minute meeting and a sample meeting. So this is just the sample meetings that I have set up. So now what you need to do, or what we are going to do here, is to see the different features that we have here on the left side part of your screen. So you have the different meetings. So if, for example, if you have scheduled a meeting, then you'll be able to see this on this section. So you have your upcoming, the pending, past, and then you can also select the date range that you want to see your meetings. So now for the availability, this is a very important part. So you need to set up first the availability that you have here. So for example, if you want to set Friday or if you want to make your Friday available, so you can just simply check that. But if you want that out, you can just uncheck it and you can change the time right here. So for example, I'm going to change it back to 5 p.m. Then once you click out of it, the changes will be automatically saved. So that will also reflect on your calendar or your booking or appointment booking link. Once your viewers for that link will access, then they'll be able to see your availability there too. Now, what I am going to teach you is how you can connect your Google Calendar right here. So, click onto your profile situated on the upper right part of your screen and go to the calendar link from the drop down menu. So, these are the available third party that you can connect with your Calendly. So, first you have Google Calendar, you have Outlook Calendar, Exchange Calendar, and even the iCloud Calendar. So, just hit this connect button right here and go through the process, the step-by-step process, and make sure that you follow all the instructions for it to be able to successfully connect your Google Calendar or any third-party tools here in Calendly. So now let us go back to home, and now I'm going to show you and how you can create an event or a booking link in here. So if you want to create a new event, just hit this new event type button situated on the upper part of your screen, and you have these different options. So you have one-on-one option, group, collective, and round robin. So if you don't know what group is, it consists of one host with group of invitees, and for this one, it has more than one host with one invitee, and for the last one, it has one rotating host with one invitee. So just select from the options that you have. So I'm going with a one-on-one right here, and then choose the host, hit next, and then this is where you can add the details for your meeting or for your event. So I'm just going to name it as sample event 2. So this is just for the purpose of this tutorial, and don't mind the informations or the details that I am going to put. So I'm going to set it at 45, and you can custom it if you want to do that. And for the location, this is where you'll conduct the meeting or where you do your meeting. So you have here different options or more options. So if Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, GoToMeeting. So then when your viewers will click the link and schedule appointment with you or meeting with you, then that will automatically create a meeting for you in Zoom also. So that will be also accessible in the details of your event. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going with a Zoom. And remember, if you want to use any of those tools, you need to connect them first in the integration section in your homepage. So once you have done that, hit continue. And now what you can do here is to check all of the details. So it says right here, your event type is ready. So you can share it and even tweak your settings in the panel. So these are the different sections for your settings in your event. So you have the event details. So you have hosts and invitees. So you can even allow invitees to add guests. But if you don't want to do that, just simply uncheck that one. So let us go back now for the scheduling settings. You can set here the date range. So you can go within a date range or indefinitely into the future. And you can set different event limits right here, the buffer time, the minimum notice, daily limit, and for the additional options, you have time zone displays, start time increments. So let us go to the other section, which is the booking page options. So this is where you can see the display link for your appointment booking. So if you want to change that, you can do that in this section. Now once you scroll down, you can add different questions right here. You can add collect payment right here. And for the confirmation page, you can also do that on this section, and you can also add custom links on this part. Now on the last section right here, you have notifications and workflows. So if you want to add this event on workflows, you can just simply do that in here. So if you want to add workflow, hit this button right here. Now if you are dissatisfied with what you have, just hit the save and close button situated on the bottom part of your screen. And if you're ready to share this with other people, you can just simply hit this link for you to be able to copy the link, or you can even share it. So you copy the link, you can add times email, add to website, and more. So that's basically it. That is how you can add appointment booking link or create appointment booking link with Calendly. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe,